Hi friends, this is the second part of our math assessment. So we are going to do part 2 of the sums and differences to 10 math assessment. First of all, let's do what we always do. Make sure your name is at the top of your paper. Don't forget, you can always pause this video in between questions, or you can rewind if you need to hear the question again. Okay? All right, let's get started. Question number 1. Jim and Beth have 7 bears. If Jim has 5 of the bears, how many does Beth have? Fill in all of these boxes to match the question. So fill in this number bond and fill in the addition sentence and the subtraction sentence to show your work. Question 2. Count on. Show your work. Fill in the boxes to match your work. You can use this number line to help you count on. 10 minus 7 equals what? Fill in the blank on your test. Blank plus blank equals blank. Fill in the boxes to match your work. Question 3. Count on or count back. Show your work. Fill in the box. 9 minus 8 equals what? Question number 4. Make a math drawing. Fill in all the boxes. Don't forget to fill in this blank right here. Jack has 5 cars. He lost 2. How many cars are left? Fill in this number bond and draw a picture to match the problem. Jack has 5 cars. He lost 2. How many cars are left? Make sure this number sentence matches your number bond and your picture. Question number 5. Make a math drawing. Do that right here in this box. Fill in the boxes. So you'll fill in this number bond and you'll fill in this number equation or this number sentence. Okay? Here's the problem. There are 8 birds in the tree. 6 birds flew off. How many are left? Number 6, make a math drawing. Fill in all the blanks and the boxes. Don't forget to fill in this blank. Here is the problem. Tam had 6 carrots. She ate some. 1 carrot is left. How many did she eat? Number 7. Make a math drawing. Fill in all of the blanks. Here is the problem. Bill had 4 fish. His dad gave him more fish. Now Bill has 10 fish. How many fish did his dad give him? Question number 8. Fill in the blanks. Match your number bond to this number sentence. Number 9. Fill in the blanks. Match the number bond to the number sentence. Okay, that concludes part B of our math assessment. You can go back and double check your work. Go back and listen to any that you think you might need to double check. You can double check and make sure you put your name on your paper. I hope you did well.